in this tutorial we are going to create a simple list view. This is a simple list view. Okay, and it's a collection of some programming language that is shown in the last lesson, in autocomplete text view and multi autocomplete text view, and here the same thing we are going to use by implementing a list view. So let's start. Also, to create a simple list view, I'm creating a new project here, and I'm giving it a name, list demo, and I'm selecting Android 2.2, and the package name list.demo. Click finish. Okay. The first thing, let's move to the UI, that is layout. Open your main.xml. Okay, this is the last here, the list demo, and open this layout. And as you can see, this is a layout with a linear one. And if you want to create a list view, that is basically a collection of n number of text view over there, so we didn't record this linear layout to create a simple list view. Just you need to just delete this component text view and change this linear layout to text view, and this linear layout to text view. Okay, so via the means of some Java coding in your source class, that is the list demo activity, here we will implement some code over here, and we will fill this text view, okay, with the number of items that we were going to add. So open your src. Okay. Here, one thing is that you cannot use activity over here because you're working with list view, and there is a more specific class for that, the subclass of activity, and that is known as the list activity. So just change it to list activity, and automatically it will give you some kind of package to import. So just import that package. See, okay, now it's okay. So, second, to create a list, you require an array of string or something, array list, certain number of items for that. Once again, I am just copying the last array over here. It is a pro list, and pasting it here, just like this. So this is the list that we are going to show in list view. Now second thing, here we haven't put it any ID because this particular layout is directly going to convert it into a list view because of this list activity that we extend. Now the second thing, definitely we require array adapter. Array adapter, that is a string, and giving it a name, right? To set a list as a content view, we didn't require this particular method. There is a specific method that is known as the set list adapter that we used in the last example with autocomplete text view and multi autocomplete text view. Here just you need to fill this adapter. This is your adapter, and make a constructor of it, array adapter, and the context is this, and your ID is this time you cannot use the ready-made layout from the Android. We were going to use this one. Okay, and this particular, that is the r.layout.main, which have only one component over there, that is a text view, will be filled with the objects, and objects will be your pro list. So if you are having how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 items that we were having in our list, so it will automatically create 10 text view. Okay, so just type here r.layout. main, and your objects will be pro list. Okay, and instead of using set content view, use set list adapter, this one. And now run your application, run as. And if you can see, it's just a 2-line of code for this, 2-line of code. See, this is the list, but it's not looking very much pretty good. So let us change the look and feel of this particular list demo. I'm going to add 2 attributes over here. The first one is the text size, and second one is the padding. Text size will increase the text of your font, and padding will include a padding between these 2 cells. Okay, so that it will make it a very good look and feel. So let us add this. For this, open your main.xml, and here just type a new attribute, text size, and I'm giving it a 25 dp, and padding I'm giving it a 15 dp. Okay, and then save your application and run it once again. This is your list. Okay, well, we were going to perform some event whenever we click on the particular items of this list. So for this, you need to declare a list view, and this is the list view, and I'm giving it a object reference variable name list view, and get the list view. It will automatically get the list of this adapter, and I'm performing here a listener list view dot set on. So what kind of listener that we can perform? So I'm just obviously it's a collection of item, so I'm just selecting this on item click listener, and here I'm giving it this for this class, and implement it the listener and add the unimplemented method over here. Okay, let's see what sorry, I think okay, whatever. Now here this is the adapter and this is the position. Okay, so whenever you click on a list, whenever you click on an item of an particular item, this code will call this particular method, and from the adapter we will select a particular position. How there is a specific method for this adapter dot get item at position, that is, this is the position, this one, and assign this particular value that we were getting from the adapter in a string. Okay, it's returning an object, so just convert it to the string. And if you want to send this parameter to another activity, just put intent here, but I'm showing you a toast dot make text, and this and str duration toast dot short dot show. Save it and run your application once again. So when I'm clicking here, it's giving me an Android, and I'm clicking BlackBerry, it's giving BlackBerry JD and J2ME, Java, EE6, XML. Okay, this is how you can use a simple list